Yeah, look like he's...
Hey guys, so my baby
Look at how cute.
like
He's
this,
falling asleep on us.
and then he fall asleep.
Yeah, you hold it. You record him.
And then he fall asleep, guys. He fall asleep, and then he wake up.
Look at how cute he is.
And he...
Mommy's trying to burp and he fell asleep. Oh, Mommy. Don't go to sleep. Yeah.
Yes.
You still have to... Look on your camera. You still have to burp.
Yeah, but baby, you still have to burp, and then you go back to sleep. Go. Wake up, baby. You gotta wake up because mommy's telling us to the story to be he's not scared us. The baby's like,
Wait,
Mommy.
girl, you're still recording.
Oh, yes. Oh, sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Oh, you're happy?